How to fix PuTTY for Mac not uninstalling. PuTTY is primarily a Windows application, and there is no official version of PuTTY for Mac OS. However, there are several third-party programs that provide similar functionality on Mac OS, such as iTerm2, Terminal, and ZOC Terminal. Assuming you have installed PuTTY on your Mac using Wine or another Windows emulator, here's a script to uninstall PuTTY, #bin/bash #quit PuTTY if it's running pgrep putty.exe, /dev/null, then echo quitting PuTTY killall putty.exe. #remove PuTTY files echo removing PuTTY rmrf/application/PuTTY.app rmrf/.1/drive_c/program/files/PuTTY echo PuTTY has been uninstalled. Here's what the script does. It checks if PuTTY is currently running and quits it if it is. It removes the PuTTY application from the applications folder, assuming you installed it there. It removes the PuTTY files from the wine.c drive. To use this script, you can save it to a file with a .sh extension, e.g. uninstall_putty.sh, and make it executable by running the following command in terminal, mod +x uninstall_putty.sh. Then, you can run the script by entering its file name in terminal, /uninstall_putty.sh. Note that you may need to modify the script depending on where you installed PuTTY on your Mac. For starters, use the recommended Clean My Mac X in this video guide.